alcoholism in life. So guys, sober up. Once to let a blood gang member live with.
I agree. Sober up, y'all. Sober up. Especially it's 2026. Happy New Year, y'all. This is the wildest story I've ever heard in my life. I'm sorry, y'all. If I have a cynical sense of humor, y'all, and the way she's telling the story, it's so straightforward. It's like it's like a comedy movie where like the straight guy's just like he's always serious, but he has, it's like his life is so serious that it's a joke. It's like there's no way this is real. And then the sequence of how you just running it down. He's a blood. He's a Russian blood with a metal stent in his back who came over your house and never left. Just was there and became alcoholic. Or he was an alcoholic, but you became an alcoholic because of him. And then you said he triggered certain things within your bipolar, or whatever the case may be. But then you said, yeah, you don't want to be around, you shouldn't be around him. But then you said, no, I should call him. And then you paused to go call. Yo, she's hilarious.